In this video, I will show you how to count days between two dates in Excel like this using two methods. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some dates in these two columns. Now I want to count the number of days between the dates given in these columns. Dates are just serial numbers in Excel. It starts from 1st January 1900 that is represented by the number 1. So if we have the number 1 in a cell and we format it as a date, it will be displayed as the 1st January 1900 as we can see from this example. Similarly, if we have the number 10 and format the cell as a date, it will be displayed as 10th January 1900 like this. Since the dates are serial numbers, we can subtract one date from another just like any other number to get the difference in days. Let's type an equal sign to start the formula. Now select the cell containing the end date first. Type the minus sign. Select the cell containing the start date. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. Let's copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we now have a difference of days between two dates. We can also use the days function to count the days between two dates. The days function returns the number of days between two dates. This function accepts two arguments, an end date and a start date. Let's type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Now type days followed by an opening bracket. Select the cell containing the end date as the first argument. Type a comma and then select the cell containing the start date as the second argument. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. Let's copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we now have the count of days between two dates. We can also get the count of days between today's date and any other date. We can either use direct subtraction using the minus sign or the days function to get the difference between today and a specific date. To get the count of days between today and a specific date, I am going to subtract the date directly from the today's date like this. Here I have used the today function to get the today's date. The advantage of using the today function instead of the hard-coded date is that this formula is dynamic. It means that whenever we open the Excel file or whenever the sheet is recalculated, we will get the latest updated number of days. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.